Ooh, y'all, look. I'm on a video by myself because Yana left me for her grandmother. But no, y'all, I'm ready to eat for real. Yeah, I got this hoodie on because I'm having a bad hair day or whatever. But yeah. Like this. Ooh. Oh yeah. I'm ready to do a video. On me doing my wigs. Ooh, and I'm supposed to do the video on me showing y'all how I make my wig.
Get a roll of paper.
But ooh, it was your girl first time making a wig, and it took me forever. I ain't even ready to hold y'all.
Sure did.
But yeah, it's finished. I'm gonna show y'all. But I'm on a flat iron it and stuff. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. And Yana should be dropping something too. I don't know why. But she should be dropping a video too, so stay tuned for that one too.
Walmart, so that's gonna be a memory.
I know we've been late. Maybe no new video.
My phone.
That been crazy. Let's show y'all this. Okay.
That's
Lean.
a little separate.
Lean. When you do like what you see, go lean. Okay, that's what. Mashed potato. Oh, yeah, good stuff.
No season.
For you.
Mom, let's have it.
Oh yeah, that's something good. Yeah.
Pretty. Great clean.
Alright.
Say hi, Stank.
You going with me? You know you can't hang one to work.
Where you going?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Made a song about
Every time.
made a song about everything.
Bye, everyone.
See, Buddha? Look at that. That's what you call big meat. Big meat. Can you give me another 2 pieces of egg and some shrimp? I'm burning y'all. I'm burning. Thanks, good too. You got it. Hi, Yana. You not here.
Just wanna fuck this shit up. You showing no love to this shit.
I know you said mommy's gonna say you something.
And 2K on.
But when you see this video, girl, mommy ain't say you no seafood to eat it all. And you know it's just not me eating it by myself.
It's the fan.
I'm eating some, just a little bit, you know? Just a little bit.
I know you won't be mad,
Just a tiny bit, not a lot, just a little bit.
but just a little egg for you.
Why a little bit, bro? Like I said, this
I ain't even show y'all my plate. Look. Oh yeah, and I ain't had butter. Got the butter. You know. Gotta put it in there. Little swishy swoosh. You know. That body a little bit hot. I supposed to have special guests, but my special guest didn't come today.
Yep.
Let me get in there.
You got another special guest.
So now,
Come on.
I'm writing so long.
Come on.
Supposed to have a whole special guest. What do you want to do?
We need to be like love y'all. Get a prayer. Look at the
I know I
camera.
think I'm making a video right because there was people in the bedroom. It ain't my fault. I told him to shut up every time I made a video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video because I had fun making it and y'all was watching me eating. I'm finishing all this good, delicious stuff.
You just spilled it with all this delicious stuff.
I ain't spilled nothing. Don't listen to him.
Spilled it.
Oh, y'all, if y'all hear that right there,
No.
that's supposed to be my guest, the owner, but he want to be on the side.
I don't know what she talking about.
On the side. See? Don't want to be seen because, you know, he ain't all that, but
Your Honor,
oh, sharp.
I'm here to tell you.
But I love y'all.
Beat you in
And I see y'all in the next video. Or
It's gonna
whatnot.
take like 3 years.
Don't believe him.
Period.
Peace. That look good, even though I don't eat it.
And I keep that 38 for the weapon. Remember when I came home for correction? On the bed, send my direction. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way